Don't pay attention to lights. And don't pay attention to the background. It's New Year's Eve. And we're having a party here. But I'm going to a party. And you see how I look now. I got some makeup on. Like some eyeshadow. And no, Jasmine is. Jasmine is. I have 2 hours and I need to get ready. Look at my outfit right now. I look like nothing. I have a cheer bow in my hair right now. So I need to figure out what I'm wearing, and I need to get with this and do my makeup and look like something. So here's before. It's like make my here's before, and let's get started with after. I'm about to go pick my outfit, then I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, so I got an outfit picked because I want to wear some of my Christmas clothes. And where's the perfect, like when you see it, this is like the perfect time. So my mom got me this black bodysuit from Gia. It has the little asymmetrical thing, nothing here. And I've got some like cargo pants from Tiara, and I'm gonna top it off with either my off-white belt or this thrifted belt I got for $1. The off-white belt will probably look better. And my Marc Jacobs purse. I'm still debating on shoes, cause depending on how it looks, I go with the Como des Garçons, or I could go with the Nike boots, or I have black ones, Air Force One Jordan ones with the white thing on it, and I have the white ones with the black swoop that are high top. So I have options, but I'm gonna do my makeup now. Alright, so for the most part, finished with my makeup. For some reason, recently, I just haven't done my forehead because it's so acne prone. I just like don't touch it, so it looks like slightly, I feel like slightly lighter than the rest of my face. But I'm gonna put some lip gloss on. This camera is like making me look like something I'm not, but that's basically it. Like that. I might change my hairstyle depending on how it looks with the depending on how it looks with the outfit. So yeah, I'm gonna go out there for a little bit and hang out at my family party to see what's up, because they miss me because I'm the life of the party. And then I'll be back to get dressed. Okay, so here's my outfit. I need to take the tag off, but there's that. My eye makeup. So I don't know what to do, if I should put my hair up or if I should leave it down. Put it back how I had it with a little side like that. But I feel like that's like immature for this outfit. So I don't know, I feel like it needs to be like an edgy part. Like, I have no clue. But here's my outfit. I went with these shoes. So that's my outfit. Thanks, Mom, for the outfit. She put this together in my Christmas bag. I just asked for the shirt. She picked the pants. And so I put the belt together with it, and I put the shoes with it. So yeah, I'll put a picture in of how I end up doing my hair, but for the most part I think it's gonna end up like something like this. But thanks for watching, and I gotta get to that party because it starts like now. So see y'all soon. Oh, and comment if I should do more get ready's with me's. Bye.